Welcome to our JavaScript tutorial for beginners. First, we need an editor to type JavaScript code. So let's open Google and type JavaScript editor online and press save. Let's choose this editor. Let's press on start coding. We're gonna use JavaScript. Okay? In this lesson, we're gonna talk about Console.log. What's Console.log? Let's close this web view and leave the console and our code editor. This console is a tool provided by web browsers to allow developers to output information. And this .log is a method that log a message to the console. Here you can write anything that you want and we can log it in the console. For example, you can type 111. We can see here whatever you want. You can type 5 plus 5. We got here 10. You can type your name, any name that you want. And you can type here, hello world. Now I can say to you, congratulations, you have written your first line of code. Hello world. Welcome to our programming world.